Hola, estudiantes. Feliz jueves. Happy Thursday. The name of our lesson today is ¿Qué prefieres llevar?, which means what do you prefer to wear? Before we get started, we need to review noun adjective order. So we got to remember here to say red shirt in Spanish that first we need to say the word for shirt, for t-shirt. Okay, so find that and type it in, please. Next, we need the color for red, so find that and type it in. And last, we need to make sure that those match. So I want you to type in both of those together in the correct order and then make them match. So you should have typed camiseta roja. So think about the answer that you typed in and let's just reflect on a few points. Let's make sure that we had first the clothing camiseta, the word for t-shirt, and then roja, the color for red. And then that our color for red matches camiseta. All right, you try. How do we say the pink dress? So the word for the is just going to be the word el or la in front of the word for dress. So remember, first put the word for dress and then put the word for pink. And last, make sure they both match. So type that in. El vestido rosado. All right, how do we say the yellow shirt? All right, go ahead, type in your answer. La camiseta amarilla. All right, how about the green hat? Now, another thing we need to remember here is words that end in an E, like the word for green does, is not going to change for gender, okay? It only changes when it's plural, and in this case, it is not plural. So go ahead, type in your answer. El gorro verde. All right, how do we say the blue shorts? Los pantalones cortos azules. When we make azul plural, we add an es to it. How do we say the red jacket? Type in your answer. La chaqueta roja. So for our activity, you're going to be given either a weather or a situation. And then you're going to be given the question, ¿Qué prefieres llevar?, which again means what do you prefer to wear? And you're going to answer with Yo prefiero llevar. And because that's new to you, I'm going to be giving you that prompt to start your sentence in the question. But you do need to type that in because I want you to answer in full sentences here, okay? And then after you type in Yo prefiero llevar, you're going to list the clothing and color that you want to wear. So I'm going to show you an example. So here we might get a picture of a sun with the question, ¿Cómo es el tiempo? What's the weather like? I'm gonna give you an I'm gonna stop. I'm going to have you answer when it's a weather phrase. So you should type in hace sol. And then the next slide is going to have the question, ¿Qué prefieres llevar?, with a bunch of clothing options. So for the example, I only picked 2, okay? So you're always going to type, Yo prefiero llevar, and that's going to be given to you because that's brand new, right? It means I prefer to wear, and then I'm going to pick the clothing. Well, if it's like sunny outside, between these 2 options, I'm going to go for this pink dress. So I add in, Yo prefiero llevar el vestido rosado. All right, ¿Cómo es el tiempo? So here's your picture of the weather. So check your notes and go ahead and type in the weather. All right, and then here are all of your options. So ¿Qué prefieres llevar? What would you prefer to wear if this is the weather? I'd like you to pick at least two things. I don't want you to be naked on your top part or your bottom part, so make sure you pick a top and a bottom if relevant. So go ahead and type in your answer. Make sure you include clothing and color. Right, ¿cómo es el tiempo? If you notice here, we have two weathers. So there's two different weathers that I'm going to have you type in for the answer. ¿Qué prefieres llevar? So remember our weather. Now pick yourself an outfit for the weather. ¿Cómo es el tiempo? ¿Qué prefieres llevar? So pick out a good outfit for this weather. ¿Cómo es el tiempo? So again, here we have two weathers. So make sure you write down both weathers in your answer. ¿Qué prefieres llevar? So go ahead, pick out your outfit for this weather. All right, so this one's not a weather. Es el cumpleaños de tu amigo mejor. So it's the birthday, el cumpleaños. Cumpleaños means birthday. De tu amigo mejor, of your best friend. ¿Qué prefieres llevar? Vas a McDonald's. Vas means you are going, so you're going to McDonald's. ¿Qué prefieres llevar? Vas a un concierto de NBA Youngboy. ¿Qué prefieres llevar?